Once the project has been approved, validated, and commissioned, a new era begins, the operational maintenance of the system. Good operational maintenance conditions must follow the following main principles. Set up a precise methodology for traceability of the evolution of the project over time. For this, some products offer project version management. This simplifies the approach. If subcontractors are involved, the availability of a guide for best practices is a plus. Make sure that the patches and other security packs proposed by the provider are updated, both on the product and on the operating systems and computers or virtual machines hosting the application. For this purpose, the provider must be transparent about the validation and support of the OS/machine. The provider should ensure that new versions of the platform support previous versions seamlessly. This point is crucial over time because any lack of compatibility may require you to redevelop your project just because the enterprise IT requires that you update your OS. Take out a maintenance contract on the product or use a subscription/rental agreement in order to stay informed about new versions and to be able to migrate or make updates easily. Call the sales representatives of the provider to learn about the latest innovations of the future versions. This will allow you to better organize your budget and manage your expenses to take advantage of upcoming releases. Thank you for being with us today. Find a full article of this episode and of all the other episodes on our blog and a white paper on our website.